Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to find follow requests on Threads. So if you download this new app right here from Meta, as you can see here the Threads app, now all you need to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then you'll find all your followers. So here on your profile page, you'll find that followers at the bottom of your bio. So tap that one. So currently I have 2 followers right here. Then if I want to find some follow requests, so go back to this profile page and then tap on this heart icon right here at the bottom right. And from here, as you can see at the top, you'll find a follow request. Now you have 2 options. You can confirm that or you can hide that one. But for this example, I just want to tap this confirm button. And if you tap in this one, it will add up on my follower list. So if we go back to your profile and then go to followers, and as you can see, I have now 3 followers here on Threads app. So that's it. That's how you find follow requests on Threads. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.